Hi guys, it's Gav here at the top of the hill. Today I just wrote a poem called The King of the Astral Realm. It's a fantastic poem. I'll read it to you. One of the great things about writing poems in nature is you can connect with equality and see different things. Sometimes before, sometimes after you've written it. It might take quite a while sometimes. So as you can see, I'm up here just sitting in the hill above Loch Leven, and the poem was about the water, as you can see. It's interesting as well, the connection with, that was the island that Mary Queen of Scots was kept in, and she was beheaded. Kind of represents this power going into the heart forces when you behead someone. And what one of the aspects of it that is just getting into like playing with water, because as you can see it kind of levels out. It always goes to this balanced level quality, and that's one of the things, you know, the secret of the king of the astral realm is actually this art of self-discipline and using the thoughts or your direction that you want to discipline yourself in the direction you want to go. And that's certainly not easy. I think there is a way of making it easy through love, and that's what the poem's about. So it's about kind of letting go into it instead of kind of forcing it or hard-assing it. You know what I mean? Forcing yourself to get into it. It's about letting go into a more kind of love quality. So that would just be one aspect of like playing with water. There's plenty more connected to the movement qualities of it and working with it and asking what it actually is as a substance. Yeah, so I just wanted to leave you with these thoughts. Have a good day. Bye for now.